What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me again today. We're going to be looking at Python, and we're going to be looking at doing conversions between imperial and metric and back again. Thanks for being patient with the delay since my last video. I'm excited to be back again, and yeah, why don't we just jump on into it? So let's start off with defining our functions. So I think we'll need to think about the different sorts of functions that we want to be dealing with. So we want to be dealing with length conversions. We're going to deal with weight conversions. Alright, what else are we going to need to take a look at? We'll do temperature conversions as well. That's another pretty common one. Okay, so when we actually, of course, we'll need our main as well. So def main. We might quickly do our menu here as well. So we'll go while true, we'll print unit converter, and then print pretty little line, and then what are our options going to be? So we're going to, just based on our above, we will go one length converter, print two weight converter. That ain't right, there we go. Print three temperature converter, and print or exit. We'll take an input, so we'll go choice equals input, enter your selection, and then we'll just do our if statements. So if choice is 1, then we'll call length conversions, else if choice is 2, we are going to want weight conversions, else if choice is 3, we are going to want temperature conversions. We'll just quickly copy and paste that because up here it's spelled wrong. There we go. Alright, I suppose consistency is more important than literacy in this case, but if we can get it spelled right, so much the better. Else if choice is 4, we want to break our loop, and otherwise print invalid choice. Please choose again. Wonderful. And then we'll call that main. Perfect. Ish. I'm sure there's probably a more perfect way of doing it, but like, this is definitely perfect adjacent so far. That's what I like to say. Alright, how are we going to do our length conversion? So, I suppose one of the interesting things to consider with length conversion is the sheer number of different length measures there are. So we'll do another little menu for people to actually choose what menu. So go print length conversions. I've hit things. I've done stuff. Alright, there we go. Print length conversions. We'll go print just our little menu line. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to probably do a heap of these. So just copy and paste on that. Now, one is going to be miles to kilometers. 2 is going to be kilometers to miles. 3 is going to be feet to meters. 4 meters to feet. Forgot the number. 4. 5 will do inches to centimeters. Inches to centimeters. 6 centimeters, meters to inches. And we will take input. So we'll go choice equals input. Enter your let's not say length selection because it sounds like we're trying to take the value. Well, let's just go into your selection. Then if choice equals 1, we'll need to take in our miles value. So miles equals float, input, enter miles. So what we've done there is we're setting up our input to grab a miles value. We're designating its type as a float, otherwise it'll just default to a string. Now we'll enter in our conversion, so we'll say kilometers equals miles times 1.60934. Yes, I have notes. Now print, so we can display our output. F, so we can include variables as we go. Miles, value is, miles is kilometers, and we'll make that to 2 decimal places. Yep, and so variable miles is variable kilometers. Wonderful. All right. If choice equals 2, we will take our input in the same way. Grab that. Meters. Enter kilometers. And with that, we will say miles equals kilometers divided by 1.60934. And then we'll do a very similar printout for the output. So I'll say print, the F there so we can drop our variables as we go. We'll say kilometers variable, kilometers is, we'll go miles, and we'll put it to 2 decimal places, miles. let's now do number 3. LF choice is 3. And if the choice is 3, go feet. Well, I'm just going to go with the copy and paste method. It's easy. Okay, so we want to capture feet. Not like weirdly on the internet, but like, you know, as a measure. Meters equals feet times 0.3048. And we'll do our output. So say print f feet is meters, 2 decimal points, meters. Excellent. All right, let's do it backwards. If choice is 4, let's go. What do we want to capture this time? Meters. Meters equals. Stephen, you said you're going to copy and paste, and then you don't. You don't. It's silly. All right, and a meters. We are going to go then feet equals meters divided by 0.3048. Print f meters is feet, two decimal places, feet. Wonderful. LF choice is 5. We will go inches equals, and then we'll grab this. In fact, let's just be a bit cheeky. This, grab this, do this, replace this, centimeters, don't need that to be a capital. What we do here, centimeters, excellent, all right, and we'll say centimeters equals inches times 2.54. We'll say inches equals centimeters divided by 2.54. We'll copy and paste a print that we can just use as a template. So for this one, inches, centimeters, centimeters, inches. Alright, now we have those last two done. Watch that throw an error later because I didn't catch something in there. Then we want else. Print. Not a valid choice. Alright. Step 1 complete. Now we're going to be doing our weight conversions. Because I'm feeling a bit slack, let's copy and paste. How many options are we going to have for that? We're going to have pounds, kilograms, ounces, grams. Let's go with 4. So much the same. This time we're going to have weight conversions. We're going to do pounds to kilograms. Kilograms, no. Alright, and then we're going to have kilograms to pounds. We're going to do ounces. Ounces? No. Yep. Ounces to grams, and then grams back to ounces. And we might even steal this basic structure again from up here. Oh, I don't even know what I'm hitting on the keyboard that's doing that, but it's not working for us. Do this, but what we've missed here is going, we need an input. We need an input. So for our input, we'll have choice equals input. Enter your selection. And now we have our choice values. So first thing we want to capture is pounds. Enter pounds. Pounds. Next thing we want to capture is kilograms. Keep using the capitals in the wrong spots. Kilograms. Next thing we want to capture is ounces. Ounces. Next thing we want to capture is grams. Grams. Perfect. All right. We're converting that into kilograms. Grams. Kilograms is pounds times. The struggle is real. Pounds times 2.20462. And we will say pounds, variable pounds is kilograms, variable kilograms. Now we're going to do kilograms. We want to measure pounds. We'll take kilograms. We will divide now by 2.20462. Wonderful. We'll say kilograms, variable kilograms text is pounds. We're going to keep rounding to 2 decimal places because it looks better. Pounds. Okay, perfect. And now we're going to go ounces conversion. So when we're doing ounces, we're converting to grams. Almost said centimeters. Fun fact you probably didn't need to know. Multiplying ounces by 28.3495. We'll say grams. Grams is ounces. Ounces. And we'll do it backwards. Ounces is grams divided by 28.3495 grams. Ooh. Grams. No, wait, hang on. This one went the other way around because we're capturing ounces. Ounces. Smart man would have copied that first. Ounces is grams. Grams. Now to convert this into what I had already written. Grams. Ounces. Huzzah. And then else. Print not a valid choice. Wonderful. Last up we have temperature conversion. Nice and easy, only a couple of options there. So our temperature conversion, this time we will say temperature conversions. And we are going to go from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Yep, grill me in the comments if that's not right, but that's what I'm going with. Did I pounce? Killing me. Alright. And we'll need a couple of these. Oh, and we need an input, obviously. Choice equals input. Enter your selection. Then our selection criteria. We will capture Celsius. We will convert to Fahrenheit. Yes, I am going to copy and paste these. So Celsius times, well, no, because this one is a little bit more complicated, isn't it? So when you take your Celsius value in, firstly, you ask for Celsius. Then your Fahrenheit is going to be Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. Yeah, I think that's right. Excellent. Okay, and then Celsius is, I want to say pounds, until it's the end of the day. There we go, pre-typed in, winner. Fahrenheit, no, I should have just copied it. And I will, perfect, okay. And this one we want to grab Fahrenheit, so we're going to ask for Fahrenheit. We're going to do a conversion with Fahrenheit, capturing Celsius. Say Fahrenheit, Celsius. Alright. Now we're saying Celsius. Okay, so now we need to do Fahrenheit minus 32. Yep, and then times 5 divided by 9. Divided by. Yeah, we'll see. We'll give it a test in a second. I did not plan on this video being this long. Alright. But I think that... Oh, no, we need a... else. Print, not a valid choice. Excellent. Now, I think we may be ready to test this. We've got a little... Why do we not, like, break here? Since when is break an issue? What are you saying about break? Break can only be used within a loop. Ah, yeah, because my tabbing's wrong. Ta-da! Alright, let's run this. Excellent. Alright, so now let's give it a go. So I'll say Python converter.py, run it. Oh, strong start. Excellent. Let's start with temperature because it was the one I was most confused with. Alright, I'm going to do a Celsius to Fahrenheit. It's currently like 30 degrees Celsius, so see what that is in Fahrenheit. 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, let's do it backwards and see if I got the numbers right. 3, 2, and then we're going to go 86. And we're going to get an error. Perfect, okay. So, cannot access local value variable Celsius. Interesting. What do we got in there? Yeah, because I called it Celsius. I'll do it. Yeah, let's try it again. 3 Fahrenheit to Celsius, 86 degrees is 30 Celsius. Okay, cool. So I don't know if the maths is right, but certainly the ability to input one and get the other, winner. All right. Length converter. Miles to kilometers. We'll say 60 miles. 96.56 kilometers. Perfect. All right. And if I want to go, what else can we do? Feet to meters. I think I want to go. Oh, it's 300 feet. 91.44 meters. Good to know. Alright, I want to do a weight conversion. Alright, so I'm going to kilograms to pounds. And we're going to go 79 kilograms. Is that... No. I don't think it is. I do not think it is. Alright, let's go up here. So there's 2.2 pounds per kilogram. So I think we've got these the wrong way around. So should that be divide and that be multiply? Yes. Yes, I think so. Alright, let's give that another crack. Oh, I put the wrong thing in. Okay. 4. That's what I was looking for. Alright, cool. Weight converter. Pounds to kilograms. Kilograms to pounds. 2. 79. 170. That looks more like it. Alright. Look, we could test every single one of these. And we'll probably find out that I'm worse at maths than we realized. But as a whole, as a temperature converter, this works. Have a play with it. Improve the horrendous formatting that I've done. I'd fix it up, but the video is already nearly half an hour long. Like this entry selection, it looks terrible, but it works. So if you've got ways that you would improve upon this, drop them down in the comments below. You're going to put your take together on how this could be improved. I'm all ears. Or all eyes, because I'll probably read it unless you make your own video and share it with me. I don't know. Either way, it's been great having you along on this little code along with me journey. If you've got any feedback, leave it down below. Drop me a like if you enjoyed it. Drop me a subscribe if you want to subscribe. I don't know. Hit the little bell icon if you want to stay up to date with when I'm releasing new videos. And until next time, have a good one.